Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I have a very interesting tutorial for you on the Cadillac Escalade IQ. What happens if the remote battery dies, your key fob, or the battery with the vehicle dies and you need to get inside? How do you do that? Well, first of all, you're going to find this button right here on the key fob itself. We're going to push that button in, and that allows us to pull out this key. Now, before we film that, I hope you can see it. There is a spot right here where you're going to put the key. Now, this is not going to actually open the door. What that's going to do, let me go ahead and do this and see if I can let you see it in real time. So I'm going to push that up in there just like this, and that is going to allow me to take that cover off. And as you can see, there is where you're going to insert the key. That'll allow you to unlock the vehicle, get in and do what you need to do. You can even lock the vehicle back up when you're finished and put that cover back on. I hope that helps somebody out. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If it did help, share this video somewhere on your timelines on social media so it can help other people. We'll see you next time.